It's Monday. Welcome back to MBA Monday. I'm Angela Guido, the founder of Career Protocol, and I have a very special surprise for you this week. If you're like most MBA candidates, you're asking yourself, at which schools am I competitive? Where can I actually get in? It's a really important question to contemplate because if you're only applying to reach schools, in other words, schools where your statistics indicate that you may be a little bit less competitive than the average applicant pool, then you run the risk of going through all this effort to prepare your applications and ultimately not get in anywhere. At the same time, if you're only applying to safer schools, where your statistics suggest that in fact you're a very strong candidate, then you might run the risk of not applying to a dream school that you might have otherwise been able to get into. It's the age-old question in MBA applications. What are my reach schools? What are my match schools? And what are my safety schools? Where am I a very strong candidate? And where am I a weaker candidate, but I still want to give it a shot? The long-awaited answer to this question is now here. You can find it at MBAmo.com. MBAmo is a robot. It's a tool that I built with a team of people over many months. We put a ton of love and energy into this tool so that at the few clicks of a button, you can figure out which schools are your reaches, your matches, and your safeties. In fact, we have a video clip to introduce MBAmo. Johnny, you got the tape? Roll the tape.
With so many unknowns, applying to business school can be scary. But you don't have to navigate in the dark anymore. Meet MBAmo. MBAmo is your MBA admissions calculator. He's the result of over a decade of data and experience, and he can calculate your odds of getting into business school. Just feed him a little info about your education and career, and he'll give you a detailed personal readout of your chances. Successful MBA applications are about passion, they're about character and fit with your target schools. Ultimately, only humans can help you with that. But MBAmo will help you make good choices about where to apply, by showing you your reach, match, and safety schools. Give MBAmo a go today as your first step in applying to business school.
I'm guessing no one is watching at this point, and you've all clicked over to MBAmo.com already to calibrate your schools, but if you haven't, please do so. The link is down below. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I hope you love it. We put so much time and effort to this, and I'm really excited to hear what you think. See you next week on MBA Monday. The pizza's coming! The pizza's coming, people! I gotta get this done. Okay.